Well, hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. I made a video a little while ago cooking some salmon patties, actually tuna and salmon. Tuna, pink salmon, cornmeal, mustard, black pepper stirred up in a bowl, made salmon patties in the cast iron skillet on a hot plate. The finished product turned out pretty good. Turn this back on, it's smoking. Potatoes and eggs. Shredded up the potato on a cheese grater. When it got done, added some scrambled egg. I'm going to put on some Mexican style 4 cheese. Talked a little bit about this skillet here. Needed some work. I added Blackstone griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. Set it on the stove, turned it on like it said. Turned this half black. I'm going to put that in there and do it again. It says to do it 3 to 5 times. So there's the finished product of the fried potatoes with egg, salmon tuna patties on cast iron. Cast iron cooking. Got my cast iron pot back there in the back. Some bourbon in those barrels aging. So just thought I'd come back with a part 2 of the finished product. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back doing some more cast iron cooking, camping, fishing, truck camping, cooking in the back of my truck on a Coleman stove. I'll be doing something. Thank y'all for watching. Please click like on the video. I'd appreciate that. Have a good day.